The proliferation of cheap and easy-to-fly drones has triggered a rise in the number of incidents where the safety and security of individuals and facilities has been compromised. Drones have infiltrated the security of heads of state, delivered contraband into prisons, photographed private film sets and the property of celebrities. Attempts to protect using conventional weapons have failed. Skywall 100 has the ability to quickly and easily neutralize a drone threat by physically capturing a drone in a net and controlling its descent to the ground. It combines a compressed gas-powered launcher with an intelligent projectile. This portable system provides a highly mobile and cost-effective method of dealing with drone threats. The launcher is equipped with a smart scope to assist in precise targeting. The operator acquires a target while receiving constant feedback from the smart scope. The onboard computer tracks the target's flight path and calculates the required projectile trajectory to intercept a hovering or moving drone. The smart scope responds, forcing the operator to adjust their aim. Vertical adjustments account for range, while lateral adjustments allow the operator to accurately lead a moving target. When the smart scope is locked on to the target, a solid tone indicates the system is ready to launch. The only way to completely neutralize a drone, whether it's being flown manually or autonomously, is to physically intercept it. The system can be rapidly reloaded, allowing multiple drone threats to be quickly engaged by a single operator. Skywall projectiles can carry a range of countermeasures. The SP-40 includes a parachute which controls the descent of a captured drone. This minimizes the risk of any collateral damage and keeps the drone intact, allowing for forensic investigation and identification of the perpetrator. If the operator misses, the parachute will still deploy and safely return the tethered components for reuse. Other features can also be included, such as audible and visual alarms and tamper-proof marking systems. The system is de-energized when not in use, so it is safe to handle and transport. Skywall captures drones, protects assets.
While we love city cycling, it can be dangerous. Cars bully us, thieves steal from us, and really, we're sick of it. So we ask ourselves the question, how can we fight back?
As friends who met at MIT, we wanted to make city cycling safer. So we decided to build the world's first theft-resistant bike light.
We call it the Defender.
Here's how it works. It simply locks onto your handlebar in less than 30 seconds.
Since we selected a high security bolt, you can't remove it with anything from a hardware store. You need the special tool which we provided in the box. And if you lose it, we'll send you another one.
It's not designed to be Fort Knox, but it'll be the hardest thing to steal off of your bike.
The battery door is also locked down, this time with a set screw. A few turns with the included tool and the door is free.
The Defender's got to be strong and lightweight, so we made it out of aluminum.
And what city bikers care about most is brightness and battery life. So we packed it with ultra bright LEDs and standard AA batteries.
We've come a long way since the first sketch 6 months ago, and we've been working really hard. But we need one final push to get across the finish line.
By funding our project, you'll be pre-ordering a Defender at a reduced cost. And you'll be making our dream of safe city cycling a reality.
FlyCharge is wireless charging done right. It uses conductive technology, which means it charges on contact. This means it works with virtually any device, and you don't have to worry about device orientation. It emits no additional radiation and is safe to touch. The Flyway 40 is a 40-watt high-speed charging pad that can simultaneously charge all of your devices at the same speed as a regular outlet. The Fly case seamlessly integrates with your smartphone. Take the Fly Cube or the Fly Coin, plug it into your device, place it on the Flyway, and charge away. The Fly Cube gives you the flexibility to charge your device while in use. And the Fly Coin lets you charge any USB-powered device connected to it. FlyCharge is awesome. You don't have to worry about placement or any of that stuff. You simply take it out, put it down, and charge up. It's that easy. I have FlyCharge everywhere. I've got them in my home and in my office. And so does Martha. Keep crushing it, Martha. It's common for people to put their phones down on whatever surface they're in front of. So why not be charging it at the same time? FlyCharge can charge your devices, your friend's devices, that guy's devices, all at the same time, without losing charging speed. Clean up your space and have easy access to charge all your stuff. No more cord searching, wire tripping, or outlet thievery. Use FlyCharge. Join our movement, and together we can change the way we power our lives.
Hi, I'm Cliff.
And I'm Sam. Oh, am I supposed to say it this time?
Action. Hey everyone, I'm Cliff, and this is Sam.
FlyCharge was born from the nuisances we faced in our homes and offices on a daily basis.
This is the future of charging, and it's here now.
We have everything ready. This is the final push to get FlyCharge into production and then into your homes.
We've got a great team with experience and knowledge from some of the largest companies and brands in the world to ensure your FlyCharge gets to you quickly and fully functional.
Please back our campaign and share it with other forward-thinking people just like you. It's time to live on the fly.
Thanks, and we'll see you on the other side.
The fly side. See, it's growing on you.
Yeah,
well, he turns the camera to me, so I figured I might as well do it.
He's looking for something.
Yeah.
All right.
Welcome to Grange in the Swiss Alps, where I am on my first 5 minutes on the ridiculously revolutionary joystick bike. This guy's basically an electric bike, goes up to 60 kilometers per hour. The entire thing is controlled by this joystick in my right hand. So we got no handlebars, sitting back, enjoying the view in the Alps here. Technology is pretty simple, surprisingly simple actually, and the whole thing was developed off recycled parts. So there's not a single thing on this guy that actually need to be built by hand. These come from recycled scooter parts, bicycles, and joystickbike.ch is giving out all of the plans for free. developing this for all kinds of different technology. This joystick technology can be put onto a kid's bike, a mountain bike, a motor scooter. This guy hauls ass, all built on electric. You've got this nice little controller here, super smooth ride. The feeling is amazing. This thing feels basically like you're in a video game or flying a jet. Check us out, joystickbike.ch. If you want to build one yourself or you got a friend who's going to help you build it, check us out. We'll send you the plans for free. Let's see what you can come up with. Till then. Woo!
Rapid advances in technology are shaping the world. When it comes to security, touch is quickly becoming the industry standard, your finger acting as the key.
We at Pichon Lab decided it was about time to create a padlock for the modern age. We believe a lock should always be functional and provide you with a quick, easy access whenever you need it. We are proud to introduce TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlocks.
TapLock and TapLock Lite need no key, no combination code, and no phone to access them. Instead, using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds. There's nothing to remember and nothing you can lose. It uses the one thing you always have with you, your unique fingerprint. TapLock can also double as a phone charger, so you'll never be stranded without power. But what about the times when you need to share access? Don't worry, we have you covered with the TapLock app, compatible with iOS, Windows, and Android. Using only your smartphone, you can grant anyone access to your lock from anywhere in the world. Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. When you want to revoke access, do it with just a tap. With TapLock and TapLock Lite, you're always in control. TapLock is designed to keep unwanted guests out. It has a built-in alarm that will activate if the lock is cut or if someone without authorization tries to open it. So wherever you decide to use your TapLock or TapLock Lite, you can feel confident that your valuables are secure and that accessing them will be quick and easy. TapLock has a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 years on one charge. And it gives you the option of accessing your lock through your phone using Bluetooth 4.1. TapLock Lite was designed with travelers in mind, so we made it small, lightweight, and secure. It's equipped with a replaceable battery that can last up to 6 months. It's also water resistant, so you don't need to worry about it being damaged by rain or snow.
We have spent countless hours creating TapLock and TapLock Lite, and now we're ready to bring them to you. We take great pride in modernizing an invaluable item through the power of touch. Help us bring TapLock to market by purchasing a perk. Early adopters will be among the first to experience ultimate in convenience and security from TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlock.
That's right. Pump up the jam, bump it up, my fingers thumping, and just bump it, look at the gear, I'm jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. Sequence that body part and find out if you feel bad. Dress to stay, get your booty on the floor tonight, day by day. Dress to stay, get your booty on the floor tonight.
Yo, sexy girl, come show me the style. Let go the rhythm, cause you well versatile. One up your waist, we go home to your place. Me take off my clothes, you say. Yo, sexy girl, come show me the style. Let go the rhythm, cause you well versatile. One up your waist, we go home to your place. Me take off my clothes, you say. Oh my God.
Pump up the jam, bump it up while your feet are stomping. And the jam is bumpy, look out here, crowd shouting. Little boy, everybody going in dance floor. Take us out by your party and find out if you too bad. Place to stay, get your booty on the floor tonight. Day by day.